What's up guys, welcome back to Flowzy Automation. So today I'm gonna guide you guys how to create the anti-detect browser on GemAutomate Browser. So the first one, this is the dashboard of the GemAutomate Browser. You will see that we have the create raw file right here, so click it. So in this session, they gonna allow you to choose the operating system. You can choose the Mac OS or the Windows, Android, iOS or the Linux system. And we can choose the Chrome version as well. So the best option is going to choose the highest version of the router. And below they will have the URL startup. So that means when they open the browser, they will go to the that website when they open the browser. And we got a config user agent right here. So you can change the user agent right here. We can change it. We can change the user agent as well. We can select the country that you want to create the anti-detect browser, like from the news computer, from the new country. So we can choose maybe the South Korea or something. Setting country right here. So we can setting the time zone of the country that you want. Like example, the South Korea, they will got the UTC 9 right here. We can choose the Saigon, but the best option is choose the Seoul time zone. Share location, you can disable or you can allow it. But I mean, just disable because they will use the GPS from the computer. Location type, you can choose the custom. They will choose the longitude or latitude. And like example, I can choose the country right here. So the next one will be the network. You can use the browser, the HTTP browser or the soft file browser. Like example, I having the browser right here. I having some browser. So you just need to copy it and choose the browser type that you want to input. My browser is the soft file. I'm gonna choose the soft file right here. Okay. They only have the host and port, and then you can check it. Okay, so they will see it, the IP address and the time zone as well. The next one is the cookie. So it's been the cookie of the browser. But if you're a disaster, you don't need to worry about this. The next one, we have the advanced setting right here. WebRTC disable. We're not gonna choose the real WebRTC, so they're gonna know that the anti-detect browser from the original raw file. And below it will have some advanced setting that you can set it. We can change the device name as well. They're gonna choose it. Okay, or real. Right here, we can choose the hardware, RAM right here, device memory right here, the mask address as well, and we're gonna choose the hardware right here, upset it. And then when you finish on the last session, you can change the new fingering right here, so you can change the new fingering of the browser. Okay, you can see it, they're gonna change it, the fingering. Okay, the hardware as well, the device memory as well, and then click create it. So that you have to successfully enter the browser and create the anti-detect browser. To check it, you can open the browser to check it. Okay, they're gonna download the Chrome version 140. Okay, and then they're gonna open the anti-detect browser that we just created. You can check the clean of the anti-detect browser on the iFeed right here, the iFeed. Now we're not gonna allow this, cancel it. Okay. So this is the trustworthy of anti-detect browser checking. We can check the user agent, and also we can check location as well, the IP address from my browser. Okay, the language is from the Korean or English. About the location, we can change it again. Okay. So that is how we can create the anti-detect profile. But if you don't want to create one by one, we can create a multiple raw file at the same time. Get back to the create raw file right here. You will see that we can create a multiple right here. Okay, setting the number of the raw file that you want to create, and the number 10 raw file, and then we can select the browser configuration at browser config. So I just want them to create the 10 profile of the Windows system, and the strong version will be 140. You just name, you need to name the config name right here. The user agent, they're gonna be custom. Okay, so each profile is gonna be custom. Select country. I want them to be maybe the Poland anti-tech. And web RTC, visible. Okay. Okay. And click OK. So choose a red right here that you just create the browser configuration, and click create random operating system, so that they're gonna create a random, maybe the Mac, maybe the Android, maybe the Windows. Click create the profile. So they're gonna create the 10 profile right here, and you can check it. The number 3, we can check it. So they are the iOS operating system. You can open it to check it. Okay, so this is the iOS. So you will have a dock right here to check it. Yeah. Okay. So that's how we can create the anti-tech profile. And by the way, you can name it. You can rename the anti-tech profile that you want to rename it. Like the 2 right here, the 3 right here. We can name it, and we can enter the proxy as well. Click to the specific profile that you want to enter the proxy. You will see the proxy right here. You can import the proxy one by one, line 1, line 2 of the proxy. Yeah, we can choose the HTTP or the soft file. So that's how we're gonna create the anti-tech profile. If you want to change the browser config, you can choose the browser config right here. So they will change the new fingerprint. But this is the premium version. You need to update the premium version, and then we can change the location as well. Like they are already in Poland, but I want them to be in the Myanmar. Click change it. So they're gonna change it, and you can try to take it on the direct. Okay, I will try to take maybe the IP right here. Okay, they already have the Myanmar language. As you can see, we got the iOS right here. We got the Android, Windows right here. Okay. So that's how you're gonna create the anti-tech profile. Just hit the DM if you're caring about the GemAutomate Browser. Thank you for watching.